Hi dear students, welcome you all for today's statistics class. In the previous video, already we discussed about model question paper 1 under that section C, 5 marks questions. We already solved 3 questions, 25th, 26th and 27th. In this video, we are going to know about the next question, 28th question. It is also carries 5 marks. Draw a multiple bar diagram for the following table, strength of students. So this is the question. Under that, the given information is, first they are given information of year 2010 and 2012. Next they are given languages, Kannada, Sanskrit, Hindi. Kannada, Sanskrit and Hindi. This is the given information. Under that 2010, Kannada strength is 400, Sanskrit strength is 200, Hindi strength is 80. Under the 2011, Kannada strength is 500, Sanskrit strength is 150, Hindi strength is 100. This is the question. In this question, the given information in a table, the given information in the form of table, we should draw a multiple bar diagram. We should draw a multiple bar diagram. Compulsory we should write this question in graph only. Compulsory in your annual examination or preparatory midterm, compulsory you should write this type of questions. Compulsory you should write in graph. Okay, it is a graphically solution problem. Graphically solution problem. Okay dear students, in examination you can give a solution in pencil, but now I will give here solution in pen because of easy to visualization. Easy to visualization, I will give a solution in pen, but in your examination compulsory you should write this type of questions. You can give a solution in pencil. Okay dear students, so generally we know in a graph we have a two axes, x axis and y axis. X axis and y axis. So the horizontal information is called x axis, the vertical information is called as an y axis. So it is a 0. So x axis is representing the year information. X axis is representing the year information. Y axis is representing the languages. Okay, language of strength. In x axis we have two years. Under the first year we have 3 concepts, Kannada, Sanskrit and Hindi. So we have only 2 years here, 2010 and 2011. So 1 year x axis represent 1 year, I will take 3 centimeters. X axis 1 year I will take 3 centimeters. 2010. So 1 year I will take 3 centimeters because we have a 3 languages. Next 2010 also same like that. 1 year I will take a 3 centimeters. Okay dear students, first we have to represent x axis, later we have to identify the y axis. Y axis they are given information of strength. So minimum is 80 and maximum is 500. So we have to select here. So 1 centimeter in y axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 50 units I will take. 50 units I will take. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500 is enough. Maximum is 500. First we have to draw a 2010 information. Under that first Kannada. So Kannada how much? 400. Kannada how much? 400. So we have to draw a line. First information is 400. We have to write here 400. Up to 400 we have to write a multiple bar diagram 1 centimeter. Okay dear students, it is a Kannada. It is a Kannada information. Next, second one is under the 2010 Sanskrit are given. Sanskrit, the strength is 200. Sanskrit strength is 200. So 200. This is the Sanskrit. Next one is under the 2010 Hindi, the information is the strength, overall strength is 80. We have to write here 80. So 80. This is the Hindi information. Okay dear students, so 2010 it's completed. So under the 2010 we have 3 types of languages: Kannada, Sanskrit and Hindi. We are representing the values also. Okay dear students, next we have to representing the 2011. We have to representing the 2011. Under that we have a 3 languages: Kannada, Sanskrit and Hindi. So under the 2011 the Kannada overall strength is 500. Overall strength is 500. In examination compulsory you can use scale for draw a bar diagrams. Next, under the 2011 the Sanskrit is 150. Sanskrit is 150. Next, under the 2011 the Hindi overall strength is 100. Overall strength is 100. So this is the Kannada information, this is the Sanskrit, this is the Hindi. Okay dear student, so you can write a table heading also or graph heading. You should write here graph heading. So graph representing the information of strength of students, or else you can write multiple bar diagram, or else you can write multiple bar diagram. Multiple bar diagram representing the information of strength of a students. So this is the tabulation or multiple bar diagram heading. You should write like this. Next we have to write a conclusion. We have to write a conclusion here. So conclusion here means we should shade. So for Kannada I will give a straight lines shading. I will give a straight line shadings. After drawing a bar diagrams, compulsory you should shade. So for Kannada I will give a straight lines. For Sanskrit I will give cross lines. For Sanskrit I will shade cross lines. For Hindi I will give dots. After completing this, compulsory you should write index. Compulsory you should write index. Index is a conclusion for a bar diagram or graphs. So for Kannada I given straight lines, right? This is the Kannada information. You should write Kannada. Next Second one is Sanskrit. Sanskrit index information is I shaded cross lines. This is a Sanskrit. Next and last one, last index is Hindi information. So I shaded like a dot lines. This is the Hindi. Okay dear students, this is the type of solution. In this problem compulsory you should give solution in a graph. This is very important and compulsory question for 5 marks. It is a compulsory question for 5 marks. Okay dear students, in the next problems we can give a solution in the next videos. Thank you to all.